So day 3 now in our extended lockdown. I gotta have to prepare breakfast. So I asked my husband what he wants for breakfast today. Oh, he ordered hash browns, bacon, eggs, sausage, and a bit of mushrooms. But I think he'll be disappointed. I'll be giving him this. He bought this in SNR, so it's time for him to use this. Because I got so much things to do, I'll just put this on the bowl and with cold milk. So this is now his breakfast after all those elaborate orders, and then I'll just put it there where he's playing the Minecraft. Then I'll get down to the build because I don't want to hear it. I have to quickly get away before my husband complain about his breakfast. Surprise. So I'll have to walk on to the build. This is just, like I said yesterday, about 300 meters from my place. So you can see here, I only have my bamboo gate here, right in the road, because I already have gates that you can see up here. This is just the second gate that I put in because I've noticed that after cementing my driveway here, a lot of trucks bringing rocks, bringing stuff from the mountain want to do backing turn over here, in which it's not favorable to me because if they break my driveway, they will be just saying, well, thank you, and I'll be the one fixing it back. So my idea was to just bar it like that with bamboo as of the meantime, while I'm thinking of the gate design that I'm gonna do. So just walking now to my building, the big budget bungalow. So this is day 14. Day 13 gives us a running total of 64,474. So we poured this column near the window and that one near the door as of yesterday. But today they poured 5 columns, leaving us one in the corner here and this one without the forms. So that one, the corner, the central on this one for the rooms, and the other end, because I didn't realize that this one, the first column here out of the 4 on this line, is already poured. So it brings the total for the whole column that's been poured just today to 5. So you see, we have taken out the form on that one that we poured yesterday. That one that we poured yesterday is what, 1, 2, and this one was this morning. This corner, the deep corner there, that's consuming 2 bags of cement. So the other corner, another deep one, will be here, but the rest, the new columns that they poured, the rest, 1, 2, 3, 4, is consuming only 1 bag of cement, 3 bags sand, and 4 gravel. Only that corner is the one consuming 2 cement. So you might think we're slowing down, but these are actually vital for the strength of the whole bungalow, what they're doing here. Then when this is all poured tomorrow, which is what they're hoping for, because that you can see old man Tony and Fredo there doing the forms on that corner, and they will be doing this one and that one. Then it'll be ready to pour tomorrow. And while the rest here on the front that you're looking at is already done, they're just gonna take out the forms and continue leveling for the exciting part. One of the exciting part will be the flooring, and also putting 2 more lines before we put 2 lines of hollow block, before we put in the header or the tie beams. Here on top of this, there'll be 2 line more of the blocks before we put in the header or the tie beams. So you can see that they've done 5 just today, so 3 more for tomorrow is just nothing. It's only gonna be a half-day job. Then you will see different progress tomorrow by some leveling will be taking out the scaffolds, of course. Then some will be leveling up the ground for the flooring. So this is as of 3 o'clock today. Day 14. So you see some of the teenagers are doing their flying kite in the open farms here, down there. But that is as of day 14. This is what we see. We've taken out some of the scaffold. That's what's already been on the places where it was poured, like the one that we have taken out the forms, so it become useful. Yeah, like that what Predator's holding. 4 o'clock, this is the last hour. They managed to finish the corner column there. So that brings the total used for today to 9 sacks of cement. Because they already estimated that one to be 2.5 in that corner. 3 kilos of tire wire. And 2 more plywood has been used. So this is it. This is the final thing that we do. We poured 6 columns in total, and everyone now is helping towards the last column, because there will be 2 columns left for tomorrow. So their first job in the morning is to take out the forms of the columns that they put in. So this one will be taken off tomorrow, and so was the other one. So leave us 2 more columns to put in, and that's it. We will be leveling the floor, and some will be continuing the file. We will be clearing out the scaffolds as well, and the areas is already poured except for this one here.